still have the right to remain silent and be shot. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding.
Guys, what's up? It is day 2 today. We stopped a little bit early yesterday. Actually, we kept going and then come to realize my camera died. As soon as I got that lower control arm on that side done, came over, the camera was off, it was dead. So I didn't want to do this side without recording it because don't know how much footage we got on that one. So we're gonna start on this driver's side. We'll get the driver's side there. We'll get that one put on. Okay guys, we got them both out here. This is the one that came out. I mean, it's not bad. It's still new. It's just kind of beat up a little bit, huh? Polyurethane bushing still in there, you know. It's got to have a swivel rotor joint here on this side too, which is not bad. I mean, you still get all this movement here. It's not bad. We'll put that on shake and bake. It'll get a nice little upgrade from stock. But these are hollow, you know. So they're not as strong as you would say these ones. I mean, these you can just feel the quality and difference in these UMI. And these have the rotor joints on both sides. So we have a lot less binding, especially if we're going to be out on the track. You know, this will be nicer, a lot nicer. So that's the comparison, but these are still nice. They're still good, nothing crazy. Clean them up and we'll put them on shake and bake. All right, let's get this thing on and get everything torqued down. Like I told you guys earlier, all these get torqued down to 72 foot-pounds of torque. Make sure you guys use the proper torque wrenches. We'll put this on. Now you guys, before I put this on, I don't remember if I told you guys on that side, the video did cut out, but these are oriented a certain way, left and right, but they don't say, so, I mean, but they're not hard to tell which one's which. These holes here for your sway bar are always towards the back, and then obviously your grease fittings. Put your grease fittings down at the bottom so you can access them. But these, like I said, put them towards the back. You want that nice UMI logo out on the outside. And then just put them in place the correct way. Long bolt does go up front here because it's got to go through both of these arms here. You got the stabilizer arm right here up here also. You got to go through. They're both in, everything's in. Only thing I got left is to put that sway bar back in. Might as well do it real quick. We'll get that on. And we still got to torque everything down, but I'm not gonna go over the torquing down process. You guys know how to do that. Just a torque wrench, with 270 foot-pounds of torque. Let's get this stuff off. Let me move that jack out of there, put that sway bar back in, and we'll call it a day. Watch my face. Watch your face. Don't let this thing come down and hit you in the money maker. You know what I mean? This thing is your money maker. Okay. Put the bolt in. Should be good. Whew. Ooh, that was scary. Okay. Make sure you guys use your washer and lock nut. All this hardware is from UMI, so I recommend you guys get the hardware. If you guys order your guys' A-arm kit, make sure you get the hardware. It's well worth it. Alright guys, sway bar is on. Like I said, we just gotta tighten all the control arm bolts, but we're gonna use the torque wrench for that. This is kind of my setup on this car. Coilovers. We do have that upper stabilizer bar up top for the strut towers. UMI really recommends this when you guys are running coilovers, to make sure you guys have that support there, because you guys notice it really relocates the entire coil from the factory one. The factory one sat in here, and this is all reinforced, and there's nothing. This is kind of thin metal here from the factory where they relocated for the coilover shock tower. So they want you to run this brace up here just to make sure everything's tight and stiffens up, and that all goes. This actually should be installed together if you guys are running coilovers in the rear. But we got those uppers up top now. Looking good. Now, that's pretty much everything in the suspension and the rear, guys, that we're going to be doing on this car for now. I am going to be looking to upgrade probably this sway bar to maybe an adjustable one. But for now, this will do. The car hasn't even hit the road yet, and we're already making upgrades on it. But looking good. So appreciate you guys tuning in to the channel. But I will ask you this: that car over there, shake and bake, that Chevelle, quick jacks. We are going to take that suspension, throw it on over there. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Basically the same thing on this car, with the exception of no gas tank, which kind of made it nice, but I think we might skip that. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more of this car. Appreciate you guys tuning into the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Keep wrenching.